If you want to work towards building your savings and exiting the paycheck to paycheck lifestyle, budgeting is key. It will help you track your income and expenses such as insurance, loans, and rent. By doing this, you can establish better and more rewarding habits. Though traditionally viewed as a restrictive term, budgeting need not be that to be always effective. So what are the key budgeting steps to grow your savings one by one? Assemble your financial statements. Collect all your financial statements, whether it be bank statements, your investment account, credit card bills, loan payments, or mortgage, utility bills, receipts, all of it. Calculate your income. Once you have gathered all your paperwork, sort them out in incomes and expenses columns and calculate how much you make per month. If your income comes from a salary with taxes automatically deducted, then note down your take-home pay. If you are self-employed, mention all the sources of income you have and deduct the taxes. Record the total income as a monthly amount. Calculate the expenses. Now, once you know your income, you should note all your expenses. It helps to break them down into categories: fixed and variable. Fixed expenses are the ones which tend to stay the same every month, such as mortgage or rent payments, car payments, insurance, and set internet fees. If you have a standard credit card payment system, include that in this list as well. Other expenses that you might include could be your gym membership or domestic help. Variable expenses, on the other hand, will change from month to month, such as transport, fuel, groceries, eating out, and entertainment, some personal medical charges, and utility bills. Further divisions can be made by things you need and things you want to have. Fuel costs, for example, are necessary for travel. Music and media subscriptions, on the other hand, are something you want to have. Balance the two. This is where you will start to see the picture. If your income is greater than your expenses, then you are off to a great start. You should start investing towards retirement savings or paying off debt. Consider adopting the 50-30-20 philosophy, wherein you put 50% of your income towards your needs, 30% towards your wants, and 20% in savings that include debt repayments. If your expenses, however, exceed your income, it means you are overspending and you need to make changes to your lifestyle. So how can you make those changes? Well, this is the part where you have to display your smartness. Look for areas where you can reduce your spending, like eating out or cancelling other areas such as gym membership or streaming subscription plans. Stop using credit cards, and if you do not default on your payments, as then you would have to pay the interest along with your share. You could try an envelope system whereby you put money for each week in an envelope and only open it at the start of the assigned week. Now, this keeps you from overspending. Ideally, you want both your expenses and income column to match each other, ensuring your income is either budgeting towards something specific or a savings plan. You can use budgeting applications or even simple spreadsheets to practice these habits. Make sure you establish these steps in your life and personal finances to grow your savings. Build your financial independence.